Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2019 Ford F-550 XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter V8 Power-Stroke turbo diesel engine and has four-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do have a nice flat deck for all your hauling necessities. The high vis on the side. We do have mud flaps on both rear and front wheel wells, as well as a nice script running board, so the likelihood of you slipping is really slim. We also have a nice headache rack here for all your cargo necessities as well. We do have a nice black fender, which is pretty nice. Two tow hooks for all your towing necessities, block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the interior, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably, with this being your additional 6th seat. We do have this medium gray cloth interior that's textured in the middle. Plenty of door space as well with black accents. We do have a 12-volt outlet down there. And this does fold out for 2 cup holders. And lifting this up, you do have a fair bit of storage as well, with this being able to lock and unlock, allowing you to have a workbench and more storage, which is always pretty handy. Taking a look on the driver's side now, we can see that we do have a manual seat, as well as the same textured gray cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space as well. That nice black accents. Parking brake release there. And your light functions right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 89,906 kilometers. Now looking at our steering wheel, we have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel with your phone and media controls, volume and voice, and your phone, cruise control there, and your toggle for your left-hand screen right there. Now looking at our main screen here, where it tells you all the important information, we do have our display mode with our gauge till empty, exhaust filter, speedometer, engine hours, transmission temp, distance to empty, and so on and so forth. Trip and fuel, trip 1, trip 2, fuel economy, fuel history, compass, so on and so forth, towing, off-road status, such as that, and other settings. And looking over here, we do have 2 cup holders, a nice little storage cubby there, and lifting this up, you do get a fair bit of storage here, and lifting this up, you do get your 6th seat, which is also pretty handy, and we do have an additional 2 cup holders down there, with this being able to open up, providing you with a lot more space, and you can always reverse that back if you don't want the cup holders out. You do have 2 USBs, a 12-volt outlet right there, trailer disconnect, 4-wheel drive capabilities, your climate controls are right there, a 12-volt outlet, 110-volt outlet, volume and medium controls right there, engine brake, traction control, and hazards. Now looking at your main screen, you do have audio, compass, and what phone's connected. Plus you do get a Wi-Fi hotspot. Ooh! Your audio. So we do get Sirius XM, or whatever station you want to listen to, what phone's connected, any apps you have downloaded, settings such as Bluetooth, phone, Sirius, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And looking above me, we do have our 6 Upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please, which is pretty handy. The stock number for this vehicle is ED54208A, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.